Which one do you have, ICE or EV? Today we'll explore ICE cars and EVs, contrasting their models, infrastructure, and costs, considering drawbacks of ICE and benefits of EVs. This includes issues, maintenance costs, and benefits such as zero emissions and lower costs for EVs. This short overview will help you make an educated choice. So are you ready for this exploration? Stay tuned as we delve into world of ICE cars and EVs. Let's start with the familiar ICE cars. As a century-old standard, they encompass our roads due to the widespread infrastructure. Gas stations are virtually everywhere, ensuring refueling is never an issue. Significant advantages include an impressive range, making them ideal for lengthy travels. Refueling is quick, accomplished within minutes. An array of models offers consumers a plethora of choices. However, ICE cars not without faults. They emit pollutants, namely carbon dioxide, heavily contributing to air pollution and climate change. Fuel dependence raises geopolitical and economic uncertainties. Is the high maintenance costs due to various moving parts? Noise pollution is another negative aspect of these vehicles. Their energy efficiency converting fuel to motion is also considerably lower. So that's the lowdown on ICE cars, but their electric counterparts. Now let's shift gears and look at electric vehicles, commonly referred to as EVs. These vehicles are celebrated for their zero emissions and more eco-friendly nature. Operating on electricity, ideally from renewable sources, their operation is far less harmful to the environment. They also offer the advantage of lower operating costs to fewer mechanical components, thus reducing the frequency of maintenance. Additionally, EVs are noted for their quiet operation, reducing noise pollution and the convenience of home charging. That being said, EVs do face certain challenges. The charging infrastructure is still in development, and full charging can take a long time. The driving range not meet everyone's needs. The initial investment is often higher, although this disparity is becoming less. Battery performance can degrade over time, although this issue addressed with continuous technological advancements. Finally, EVs rely on the power grid, which can be problematic in certain areas. It's time to put ICE cars and EVs head-to-head. ICE cars offer convenience with widely available gasoline stations and a variety of models to suit different needs. Their initial cost is often lower. However, they emit pollutants and have higher maintenance costs. They are also affected by unstable fossil fuel prices. On the flip side, EVs are environmentally friendly with zero emissions. They offer lower operating expenses and the advantage of home charging. Additionally, they contribute to reduced noise pollution. However, they are plagued by infrastructural challenges, longer charging times, and limited driving range. The initial cost of an EV is generally higher, and there's the challenge of battery degradation. It's clear that both ICE cars and EVs have their own strengths and weaknesses. Your choice is dependent on your personal circumstances and preferences. To wrap things up, let's summarize what we've discussed today. We delved into internal combustion engine ICE cars and electric vehicles, EVs. ICEs have superior infrastructure, convenience, and initial cost benefits. They're great for long trips, but they contribute to pollution, have significant maintenance costs, and depend on fossil fuels. EVs are environmentally friendly, quiet, have lower operating costs, and support home charging. Their drawbacks are the higher initial cost, developing charging infrastructure, and limited range. Technological advancements are progressively overcoming these issues. The choice between an ICE and an EV depends on personal needs, lifestyle factors like driving habits, travel distances, budget, access to charging infrastructure, and environmental consciousness. So which one you choose, or which one do you currently drive?